Hello friends, welcome to Windows. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Intel Unison app on Windows 10 PC. We all know that to run Intel Unison app on a PC, you need to be running Windows 11 and it should be powered by Intel 12th generation or 13th generation Intel Evo CPU. There are lots of users who want to install and try Intel Unison app on Windows 10 PC, and if you landed on this video, then definitely you are one out of them for sure. Officially, it's impossible to install Intel Unison app on Windows 10 PC, but there is a quick workaround to make that thing happen. Let's learn it. Before you proceed, I would like to tell you that the steps covered in this video are technical and include various file modification. If you are not comfortable doing this, then I suggest you to stop here and close the video. If you made up to this part of the video, then I presume that you are okay with these things, right? So let's learn what to do. First of all, you need to open your default web browser. I suggest you to use Firefox. Next, you need to grab Microsoft Store link for Intel Unison app. You can check the blog post in the description to grab it. Next, head over to this website and in the space provided, you need to paste the Intel Unison app store link and then click on the tick mark button and wait for a few seconds. This tool will generate various files related to Intel Unison app. Here you need to click on this one, starts with app up, ending with the M6 bundle. This will start downloading the Intel Unison M6 bundle. If you're using Edge and Chrome browser and you are unable to download M6 bundle, then try it in Firefox as suggested above. After that, you need to download file archiving tool. For this tutorial, I am going to use 7-zip. Download the 7-zip and install it on your computer. After that, right click on the Intel Unison M6 file and extract files. Now open the folder and locate web phone packaging file. Again right click on it and extract file of this package as well. Now open the web phone packaging folder and inside it locate app manifest XML file. Open it with Notepad. In the file that you have opened using Notepad, find this line of code. Now you need to replace min version to the current build of Windows 11 running on your PC. To know that, click on the search icon and type about your PC. When same setting appear in the search results, click to open it. In the same setting page, you need to scroll down to Windows specification section. Now select build number and copy it. After that, you need to head over to the Notepad file and replace the build number like that. Once done, click on the file and then select save to save the changes. After that, you need to enable developer mode in Windows 10. For that, you need to open setting app and then select Windows Update, and then on the right side you need to switch to for developers tab. Here you need to turn on developer mode option. When confirmation dialog box appear, click yes to continue. After that, you need to head over to the web phone packaging folder and delete these files: app, apex metadata, content type, apex block map and apex signature. Once done, in the same folder you need to click on the file and then select open Windows PowerShell and then select open Windows PowerShell as administrator. When USC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now here you need to execute this command. After deployment completes and pointer moves to next line, confirms that Intel Unison app is successfully installed on your PC. Now you need to install Intel Unison app on your smartphone and follow on-screen instructions to pair your Windows 10 PC and smartphone. I have already written a detailed blog post on how to do that, so check the link in the description. So that's all about this video. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like it and subscribe the channel for more similar videos.